Dirtnap Productions is proudly partnered with Tactacam, digital scouting cameras. Hawk, hunt from above. Easy Cut. Tactacam, share your hunt. Scent Crusher, scent off, game on. Dead Ringer. Double S Custom Calls. IWOM. Maston's Deer Sense. Accuracy Unlimited. Muddy. Whitetail Essentials. Charlie Watts at 2 Mile Taxidermy. Fresh Prints. Luminoc. And Mountain Ops.
2019, it's about 3 a.m. heading out west. Chase some Merriams with Tanner at Dry Creek Outfitters. Blizzard passed through late last night, early this morning, so hopefully 12, 13 hours by the time we get there, everything will be clear and bust one in the morning. Stay with me. April 13th, 2019. I'm in Nebraska chasing some Merriams. We roosted 3 longbeards last night. They're all within about 150 yards of the blind set up right now, but there's one that just hammered. It is cold. It's probably about, I don't know what it is, 28, 30, something like that, but stay with us. I'm in the new Muddy 360 blind, which is awesome. I'm packing the 12 gauge today. Got the main camera rolling, got the Tactacams rolling. Tactacams and the decoys, so let's see how this plays out. I drove 14 hours yesterday, slept about 3 hours. I got 4 Mountain Dews in the blind with me. Stick with me. was 2 jakes and a long beard that we roosted last night. Called him in right off the roost. Had a jake and a long beard, came in as you see on the footage. The other jake skirted us in the other pasture over there. The 2 jakes were as white could be, you could tell. I think they were into more sun, but as you could hear him spitting and drumming coming in. He was he was literally froze. All his the feathers are ice. There goes a bird there. Another jake. But spitting and drumming. His feathers were they were just full of ice. He couldn't get he could get bolstered up, but you heard it on the footage. It's crazy. I went and picked up the bird and he still had ice on his feathers. It got down, I think, about 18 degrees last night. And as you know, this area in Nebraska got hit with a blizzard on Thursday, which is the original day that I was going to come out here. I think it was April 10th. But we pushed it back a day. We pushed the hunt back a day to let this storm blow through, but they got about 10 inches of snow and I don't know what, like less than 12 hours or something like that. It was absolutely freaking crazy. But as you can see, there's probably about 4 inches of snow still left on the ground. I just shot a Merriam turkey in Nebraska in the snow. That is absolutely crazy.